Hello traders, today is the 13th of June 2022. It is 5 minutes past 8 p.m. GMT plus 2, so that you know that we are on the same page as to when this recording is or was done. And we're going to talk exclusively about the Dow Jones. We know that we've been trading crypto, but everything follows each other. S&P 500, Dow Jones, crypto markets will all go together for a time frame. When we see gold and silver go up again, that's possibly a good time to buy back in. But we're going to talk a little bit about the Dow Jones because we started talking about it on the Loving Life channel in 2021 during September. And I was questioning in October, but the prices are still going up. I said they are going down because Evergrande or Evergrande, however you like to pronounce it, was already in the downward trend. And that is very strange because the property market normally only follows a time after the stock markets drop. In other words, they can still hold on for a while. So that was a clear indicator to us, besides it being the Shemitah year. Now I'm going to show you my graphs that I drew. If you've been following my previous videos, you'll see I haven't changed the lines that I've drawn. I'm going to show you what my predictions are for the Dow Jones, have been for a while, and are more or less following the trend pattern right now. We are going towards not just a recession, possibly a depression. The guys will be shorting the market a lot more, and it might happen all within the next few days. So let me quickly share screen with you, and we talk about the Dow Jones, mostly just the Dow Jones for this exercise. Now we can see there, September when we started speaking, and then October it went up a little bit, and maybe November, maybe a little head and shoulders, but we could see it was running in a downward channel. Sometimes people are only looking at the candlesticks. They're not looking at the general direction the market is going. It hit that ceiling twice, and it's not managed to get over that middle line much. And of course, this is where I drew the channel, started drawing these down trends and showing how the bounces are going to come about. We are going to see it almost dropped right through the channel today. So it might do that bounce up one more time. So we will find actually a new resistance line coming down on the markets there, and then seeing if it will go over that resistance line, or is it going to drop right through here and find this Fibonacci line and then bounce up and down there. I need to just keep everything in its place and see how this plays out from what I've drawn previously. And then I just said we can be looking with some bounces. I don't say it will just go straight down to some new lower levels. And we'll have seen that the 1929 stock market crash was similar, except that it dropped 600 or 700 points and they declared it a stock market crash, but we will be having to drop thousands of points for them to say it's official. Jim Rickards was one of those people that said from today, when the Fed puts up the rates the third time in a row, that's when the stock market's going to crash. Jim Rickards has been warning us also for years about this stock market crash. There's lots of things happening. I don't want to get into the politics of it now, but because there are enough people that are knowledgeable about this, and property prices will follow in the next 3 to 6 months. So people will start panicking, sell their properties because they can't manage to afford food anymore, and the food supplies are being cut off everywhere. Food has been thrown away so that people can suffer. So that's just the Dow Jones for now. It's going to possibly bounce tomorrow and make one more. There is a resistance line there. It might drop right through there. So I will spend time shorting the markets. Not financial advice. Have a great day and enjoy your trades. We chat soon again, guys.